Children, today we start our geometric section, a new lesson, points, lines, line segments and rays. In today's class, we will discuss about points and lines. All of you listen here. Look here, first one, point. This is a point. If this point shows an exact location, this is the point is the basic unit of geometry. This shows an exact location. It is the basic unit of geometry. Which is the basic unit of geometry? Point. Basic unit of geometry. This is the point. Point has no dimensions. It is represented by a dot. It is named with a capital letter A, B or C, anyone. And a vertex is a point. These are the features of points. Basic unit of geometry. It has no dimension. It is represented by a dot named with capital letters. And a vertex is a point. Vertex, what is meant by vertex? In this figure, this is vertex. In this figure, this is the vertex. This is the vertex. We can write the point as point A, point B, point C, etc. Next is line. Line. You all know what is a line. A number of points join together form a line. A number of points join together to form a line. A line continues in both directions. Look here, a line continues to this direction and also to this direction. Continues in both the direction. Line is represented by two arrows at both the ends. Line is represented by two arrows at two ends. This shows that this line is not ending anywhere. It is never ending. A line has no fixed length. Line has no fixed length and it cannot be measured. What are the features? What are the features of line? This is line. Line is represented as a straight line with two arrows at both the ends. Unlimited number of points joined to form a line. Unlimited. We first studied the points. Number of points joined to form a line. Then a line continues in both the direction. A line goes in both the direction. To this direction and to this direction. Then a line is not ending. It goes on. It is never ending. It never ends. And a line has no fixed length. As it never ends, the line has no fixed length. It cannot be measured. A line is written as line AB. AB, capital letter, two capital letters, then a straight line and two arrows at both the ends. It is written as, read as line AB. But it never ends. It goes on. It has no fixed length. It is the peculiarities of line, features of line. So we studied about the point and the line. Line has two arrows. It shows it never ends. It has no fixed length. It goes on. It goes on in both the directions. It is read as line AB. If it is line BC, it is written as line BC. Line if it is line AD, it is written as line AD. Okay, this is all about the line.